Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to do navigation in your maps app you are having of maps. In that, how do you navigate from one place to another? Okay, you can see the blue dot here in the center. That is my current location. I am at Goregaon, Mumbai. I want to go to Juhu Beach in Mumbai. Okay, so here in the search thing bar I am typing Juhu Beach. Here I have selected the Juhu Beach. It is showing me here the red pin you can see in the center. The red position, it is showing me where Juhu Beach is. It is a vast place, but it is showing me a certain point in Juhu Beach now. I want to go there, but I don't know how to go there from my location, that is in Goregaon. From Goregaon, I want to go to Juhu Beach. So here down you can see this blue circle here. In the blue circle there is a car. I am tapping on that. Okay, so it is showing me a route now. You can see it is showing me a route. Here up you can see there are three options. Here up there are three options. This is by car here. The second one is by bus and third is by walking. How do you want to go? Now at present I am going by car. Okay, so this it is showing me how to go by road. From this blue dot is where I am now, to this red pin, that is where I want to go to, that is Juhu Beach. Okay, now you can see you can zoom in and out. You can see the road map. Zoom in how much ever you want and see which road it is showing me, which road to go by. Okay, this you can zoom in and out and see the location, how you have to go, by which roads you have to go. Once you start your trip with the phone with you in your hand, it will show you here this way also the step by step location, how you have to take the turns, the left and the right turns on the road wherever you have to go. It is showing you all the routes here. Okay, I have come back down again here. Here you can see by road. Here if I tap on bus, in bus it will show me all the different routes. The different buses take different routes, so it is showing me all the options here, by which option you want to go. This is the less time, 1 hour 2 minutes. So I am tapping on this option here. Okay, now this option is showing me how to go from which bus stop to which bus stop I have to go, where I have to walk it up, then again how I have to go by train or something. Okay, so it will show me all the options here. But now I want to go to the other options, so I am just tapping here back. Here the other option has come. Now this is walking. You want to go walking. Okay, so see how it is showing the blue and the grey dots. It is showing me this blue one is the current one, how you have to go. You have to go walking, and the grey is the optional route. Okay, the grey dots it is showing is the optional route. Again I am going back to the car option. Okay, this is how it is showing you. Now I want to start my journey. So you have to press again on this blue dot here, blue circle here. After I pressed on this is the route I want. So it shows me now how to start. I am again zooming in. Here there are three options. You can see three circles here. There is this option here, the magnifying glass. I am tapping on the magnifying glass. It is showing me the options of gas station, restaurants, grocery stores and coffee shops. Okay, now supposing I might run out of petrol or diesel, so I am tapping on gas stations on my route. Okay, now here you can see the gas stations on my route, whichever route I am on, it will show me wherever available gas stations are. Okay, same way again I am going on the this thing, magnifying glass. I want to see some coffee shops I want to take a break in between, so tap on the coffee shops. So it will show you all the different coffee shops available on your route that you have selected. Okay, this is the different options. Then the second circle it is showing you, that is the voice messages. Here it will navigate you with your voice. See here, this is on and off. It is on for me now. Okay, so whenever you have to take a left turn or a right turn, the maps will show navigate you with a voice, that you have to turn left now, you have to turn within 1 minute, you have to turn right or take a U-turn or whatever. Okay, I hope you have learned how to navigate. Please navigate to different places, all the different places, not necessarily in Mumbai only. To a nearby, say Pune, you want to go to Goa, you want to go to Igatpuri, just navigate and just check it out virtually. There's no harm in checking virtually, and check out the different places you get in between on your route, what is available, like the gas station, the coffee shops or restaurants or whatever. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Take this as a game and play with it. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.